Well, as of so far, it's been holding up on the saw so far. Since I fixed it with a new bigger pull handle on it. Since I'm back running a 22-inch bar onto him. Like I did on the other one. Back in the year of 2022. Because that was the one I first had. Because it did not have a throttle lock on it. But this one does. It's a good running machine. I'll use it. It runs a free 25 pitch. I'll get a spare recoil for it and a new 22-inch bar for the red one. And then I'll be able to have a new air filter knob, which is the metal one. Hopefully I can find some metal where I can definitely build one for it. Just like what this one's had, I can definitely make one for it too. But hopefully we could definitely find out and see what happens when it happens. I wish there was a metal air filter knob so that way it's not plastic anymore. If you guys know how to make one of these knobs as the metal, let me know in the comments below. My 25th birthday is coming up in about a few more weeks. I think it's about 2 weeks away. I believe after next Friday is definitely my 25th birthday. So, I'll show you that thing running with that new rope handle on it. And go from there. Good runner! Just like your normal chainsaw, you got gas and oil at the front. That's your gas right there and your oilers at the front. 22-inch blade. Bumper spikes. Pretty comfortable and heavy duty bar. This is something that you can occasionally haul it in the back of your side-by-side. Or a truck. Fits on there perfectly. That way you can haul it in the back of your side-by-side or a truck. That's what I usually do with the weed eaters, including the blower and one chainsaw in the back. But even that, it's a pretty good saw. But too bad a company doesn't make them anymore. They're finally discontinued. But I really love the Pro-Yama equipment. I did look it up on Amazon, including their website. They got a 62cc saw and a 68 one, including a 50cc one, including the 26 one, which is a top handle version. I'm still going to run the MS250. I really like it since I put a new 20-inch bar on it. I usually clean the saw up when I get done using it. And more beautiful news, I cover up the hole on that thing. So that way I don't have to worry about the hole. This is what knobs are supposed to do. This is what the inside of it looks like, that gold piece. That you cannot even find for them anymore. But you gotta make the inside of them just like the gold piece so that it doesn't come off. Let me go ahead and make sure it's fixed on there real quick. I'll be back with you in a minute. This is what the inside of it looks like. Because I want somebody to repeat the process of the inside of it looks like for the new metal one I want to build. And it's easy to put it back on. It's much just like a Homelite and a Troy-Bilt chainsaws in Remington. But this thing always fires up perfectly. Always fired up first pull. Alrighty, they're definitely ready to go to work. I'll definitely keep using them. I'll be getting a 20-inch bar and chain, a 20-inch bar, and an 810 row of 325 pitch for the Farm Boss 20-inch bar for the 026. So, anyways, that's a little update on the pull rope on the chainsaw. So, always keep liking and subscribe to the channel. And thank y'all so much for watching. And I'll also do a lawn cutting video probably next time when the grass is growed. Let me get this bed shut and I'll get back with you in a minute for the outro. Alrighty, I got that shut. Shut down my garage. So anyways, I'll get the right size belt for the DR trimmer mower. I really want that head to quit spinning on me on its own. I'm going to have to find some way how to get it to quit spinning on its own. So now I could definitely pull this down to engage it. And stop and shut it down. It's a little bit deep bird shit. But anyways, I'll clean it off with a rag. So anyways, thank y'all for watching.